Hi, in this short video I'm going to be showing you how to get the best out of the Greg Gwiller website. So first of all, head to your email. We will send you an introduction email with a link to Greg Gwiller setup. Click the link, it'll take you to a page where your details have already been filled in, so just click submit. We'll then send you an email with a verification code, so enter the code here and choose a password, click submit, and you're done setting up. Okay, now we're going to log into the teachers area using the details we've just set up. If your school has a Google account linked with your email, you can log in with Google here as well. So we're now in the results section and it's going to ask you to add some details for your school. So click the button, it'll take you to the school data section. Now here you can see the name that I've entered. I need to add a name for students to use. So I'm going to click the edit button and then quickly add in something that students can see when they're using the site. Click submit, I'm the lead user. I'm also going to add some other teachers on the site, so I'll quickly fill in details for some of the other teachers in the school, just so the students can see their names on the site, and we'll send them a welcome email. We'll go ahead and add one more. Okay, so we should be set up for staff. Now what I'm going to do is add some classes. If I want to add some more, I can click the add teachers there, add some classes here. I've already added a few. There's an add class button up there if you want to add a few more. Okay, now go back to the teachers page and there's a button saying use teachers and classes listed here, and that's important. You need to click that so that the students will be able to see those names on the site. Okay, last step, once you set up teachers and classes, is to go to your account. Now for a premium account, some of the quizzes are locked, so we need to let the site know the format of the student emails. So I'm just going to add that in here, and now once that's been added to the site, any students with that email address accessing the site will get free access as you have a premium account. On Greg Gwiller we have questions for physics, chemistry, biology. We also have an entry test for new students to your school. Within each subject, we've got GCSE questions, IGCSE, Key Stage 3 and IB. On the IB questions, some of these are locked for your students and you'll need a premium account to access those. So let's try quiz. Let's try physics, GCSE, and we're going to have a go at the motion graphs quiz. Now once you open up a quiz, there's a clock showing in the top right hand corner. This doesn't actually time you out, it's just a guide. So let's go ahead and answer some of these questions. So once we're done, we submit the quiz and then we put our school name in this field. Now what will happen, once you fill in your first name and last name, you'll be able to see the class and teacher names that we added on our school details earlier. There's a 9-to-1 scale as well as A star to G because some schools still use the old system. Okay, 70%, which is roughly a grade 7, it's only approximate. And let's go back and the quiz will be marked for us and we can see which ones we've got correct. A few corrections that need doing, so let's go ahead and try and sort out what went wrong on the last few questions. Okay, let's resubmit. Details already pre-filled in and we're up to 100%, very happy with that. On the IB version of our quizzes, once students go back and see their marked work, there's a little button appearing saying AI. If you click that button, a window appears giving you a little bit of support on that question. I want to see as a teacher how my students did on that quiz. So I'm going to log back into the teachers area. Any students who've taken quizzes recently are going to be showing on this page. So I can see a few students who've taken the motion graph quiz, a couple of others showing. Now what I can do on this page is I can arrange them alphabetically, I can only see the first attempt on the quizzes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the ones who took the motion graphs quiz. So I'll click physics, choose the test type, choose the quiz, and then click search. And now I've got only motion graph quizzes showing there. I can click analyze, and what that will do is show how those students did compared to all the students who've taken that quiz. There's 48,000 that have taken that quiz. I can see from this page that questions 3, question 8 and question 10 caused some problems. Question 3 a little bit down, but question 8 and 10 were significantly below the worldwide average. So I definitely need to have a look at that. So I'm going to click the Go to Test button and go back and have a look at questions 8 and 10. Now both of these questions are on distance calculations, area under the line, and it's clear that my students didn't really get that. So I need to go back and have a look at that, which is great formative assessment, and that's what this site is all about.